What is up?
No more.
Your bottom look big. No, people, watch ya. What's big bottom?
Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capot there from Capot TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibes it, mad and extra. Right you?
Whoa!
Welcome to the mad crew. And the summer sun say woo.
What's up, AC gang? Let me know the good girl, Abby.
And the boy Capot there.
Back with another blazing video. Some people, as you can see by the title.
Today we'll be doing cooking with AC gang.
So guys, we're in the kitchen right now, and guys, we're literally a bonum. We are sweat everything. That's why today we're there to introduce an amazing product, people.
Yes, that we got from Torras.
Guys, if you don't know what Torras is,
Guys, it's a company who sell gadgets and phone accessories.
they've introduced a new product called COOLIFY.
COOLIFY.
Yeah, guys, and this is for people who always there bun up in them kitchen.
Yes.
And besides, so they're gonna bring them fan in the kitchen for somebody cooling themselves while them a cook. That's safe. That not safe at all. Don't be like me. Don't judge me.
Yeah, guys, so COOLIFY is a walk-in air conditioner, people. It's a neck fan.
Yeah,
oh
guys.
My God,
Next
people.
fan, we're gonna show you all of this. Come. Let's start. Let's show.
Guys, the first thing you have to check out, people, are the box that the product come in. Oh my God, really sturdy box. You know that they spend a lot of time to design this box, guys. You know the product is high quality.
Right,
No, we're gonna open the box and see what is really inside.
even though, guys, we actually know what's inside already, because guess what? We already peep.
Why tell them, Pop?
I have to. Oh my God. Look at the package.
Yes.
Look at the fancy package.
People, you know they spend enough time on design the package here. Oh my.
Guys, based on my experience in life, this is the fanciest package from a product I've ever seen.
No.
No cap.
No cap, people.
No cap, people.
Wait.
It's an earphone. Is it the earphone? No, guys, this is not an earphone.
Tell them
This
I
is
wanna-
COOLIFY. Guys, look at it. It will look as if you are actually wearing an earphone in public. Talk to it, no? Look what thing look like earphone also. No, girl.
Alright guys, so that's the power button right there on the right side. Now this is the inside of the right. This is the inside of the left. These are the holes that the fan blow through. That's the cold thing that's supposed to cool your neck.
You get this. This is the manual that basically show you how it works.
Yeah, but we're smart, so you know, manual.
This now is a little
Type C,
USB.
USB
Yeah.
cable to charge it up.
You type C USB cable to
Yeah.
charge it. So all you will need to find is like an adapter to just
Yeah.
plug it in and charge. So type C USB right here. It also comes with a bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we have the traveling bag for it. You know, it kind of looks funny at first, but I guess once you put the product inside, it's supposed to curve around like this.
Nice little bag.
Curve around like so.
Yeah, so guys, you can get this product in two colors. Pearl white, which is the one that we have right now, and also brilliant black, which is
Yeah,
also
black.
a wonderful color, guys.
Yeah, guys, but you know the company sent us this.
Yeah.
People, there are 3 levels to this now. Right, so when it just turn it on now, the fan, you're supposed to already feel the breeze.
Yeah.
So that would be the level 1.
Level one.
Level 1. So how is it feeling right now?
I feel cool already, you know.
You feel cool already?
Feel
I know.
the fan breeze, guys. Trust me, you're not gonna disappoint with that fan breeze, yeah.
And guys, again, it look like an earphone, right?
Yeah, man.
Look like an earphone on the neck.
So-
Alright, so we're gonna press the power button again to go up to level 2 now.
Yes.
Level 2.
Level 2.
Oh my God, how is the feeling? How is the feeling?
Ooh, no, man. I will feel so good.
Yeah, guys, so basically, the breeze coming from the inside of this thing.
Yeah.
Level 3. Oh my God. The good thing is you can always adjust.
So guys, if you want to get the breeze like directly on my neck, you can carry it in, or you can carry it back out a little bit.
If you want to cool, right?
And it's even better actually, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So that's a good thing, guys. You can adjust it to your preferred liking.
And the next thing you can actually adjust are the temperature. So right now, I use the fan alone. But what can do next, Abby?
Guys, we have a stage, we call it the cooling, the freezing. What is it, Kappa?
Actual AC stage.
Yeah, guys, the cooling thing. And you know, as I said, the thing is COOLIFY.
Yeah.
So right now, we're going to cool up Kappa next some more by holding down on the power button for 1.5 seconds.
Yeah.
But I will say until I hear the beep.
Go on,
yeah.
Alright, the beep gone now.
So guys, by this
Yo,
time,
okay.
you're supposed to
Instant.
be instant cool, guys.
I feel the coolness instantly. Trust me.
Instantly. Guys, that would be the cooling, the actual cooling stage.
Yeah.
Not the fun stage, okay? You don't pass level 1, 2, 3. This is the cooling stage.
So this thing on the back is a sensor, right? So this is what changes temperature. So on the neck back, that's where the coolness will come from, people. Give back around the neck. Whoa! No! Oh, you try that. You get cool no one.
Oh my god, people, my neck is freezing. I'm in the refrigerator right now. This product is a must.
Guys, if you want the product right now, just click the link in our description box down below. Use our promo code ABICAREFUL and get 10% off.
10% off, guys.
Yeah.
The price is $149 right now on Amazon. It's worth every dollar. Man, I'm cooling.
Oh my god, some hot people right now, look at me. Let's start with
It
again.
starts with again, but look at this.
Oh, no man.
Now guys, we're kind of hungry, so I'm gonna cook using my COOLIFY. I'm good girl now, but up in a no more kitchen.
For real, man.
Alright guys, so the people in Monday are cut up right in a COOLIFY because I'm just a sweat, so I'm for cool down. Are you?
No man, it's a seasoning, man. They're green, man. Green
Come
and
here,
fresh.
no,
Green and
are
fresh.
you green, sir?
So guys, today about Tuesday, we don't do it, you know.
Oh my god, my beautiful eyes burning. What is that you're cutting up? Jano. Right, so yeah guys, so while we have rice, Jesus.
Yeah. Rice already prepared, guys. I be at the boner because I don't know she can't manage the kitchen. So we got the one bomb here, one too.
Yeah guys, so I already got, hey, I'm gonna talk to them now. We already got the rice and so, I'm gonna move this from my face. Yeah, we already got the rice and so therefore we're gonna just cook the crabs for you guys and show, oh my beautiful eyes. Hey guys, so how are you guys? You good? Come talk to me now. You good answer? Make sure you're good enough. Make sure you're good. Cause me not really good, but guess what? I still a try. No, I still a try. Right you. Yeah, girl, you not hear me? Well, maybe this will affect it. But I bring my bag up more. No, girl, watch out. I'm freezing. Yeah, girl, I'm freezing. Yeah, guys, so the people there, man. No, man. You not hear me? No, man. That blow me away. Again. Oh, it's like I've no. Your bottom look big. No, people, watch out. What's big but a blue crab we are cooking now. Me did tell her. Yeah, we are called the blue crab. I saw the name, yeah. We are called the blue crab, guys. So you know, easy 1, 2, 3. Cause them not hard for cooking, and them don't hard for cook. So that's why they are waste time. I'm here cook it, you know. So him clean it up with a good girl. The chef cook. Yeah, girl. So people remember follow good girl on the Instagram. I be attached. They writing on the middle. Yeah, girl. Yeah, cause be mad this me a post over there. No, Jesus. So right now I'm making a video. I show you know like the seasons I'm gonna put on it. Even though I don't have the seasons that I normally put on it, you know. Oh my god. You know what? Everybody cook different, you know, guys. So bear in mind, if I'm not cooking the way you cook them, don't come for me. We all cook different.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
yeah, go on.
I go on in. I did the go on, man. I went.
You win.
I went. Hey guys, alright guys, so right now we're gonna use 2 seasons. What check up? What is
So guys, I can't cook this. I'll be special to this, right? So I shall take care of the cooking thing.
Yeah guys, may I take care of it, but guess what? Don't take care of it, don't get all of the ingredients. So therefore, this is cooling me, girl. This is cooling me. Therefore, I'm gonna use the fish season and the all-purpose season, you know, as the only source
of the pimento.
People, that's if I'm gonna get the land crab them, you know, I'm good girl look on blue crabs. But I don't even remember how it cook. I'm not gonna look on no internet, you know. But I start do it, I'm feel like do it, I'm a bird, no
Don't taste bad food, give me a swab.
What is going to happen? What is going to happen? What can happen? Tiago, what happened?
I'll buy a food myself.
I'll be all safe.
When you gotta get thick guys and you know.
Yeah guys, so when I see the crab them right so now, you know.
You gotta learn with it.
Ah, take Alright. Enough is enough. I need to go and cook like I've been messing around too much. Yeah guys, so you have to stir them some here and try and make sure say getting a most of the crab and so because guess what, you don't want to crab right when you see taste season. I saw you don't want to cover taste season when you taste season. I saw. Yeah, we don't want to unseason crab. Mom might have said it's so easy, I'm so foolish. Yes. We don't want to unseason crab around here. Watch out, right? Who could I know that? We don't want to unseason crab around here. Watch out, keep just a cool. Keep on I'm hot.
You hot?
Yeah, I'm hot right, sure.
Drink some water.
I need look cool down when mother
this.
Bombat. No girl.
Yeah man, I eat man.
What's your girl a ton freezer? I'm cooling. People, what do you attack? What do you attack? What do you know so we're extra but we're extra for a reason when I come onto this. This something working. COOLIFY. You don't want to get on COOLIFY. I see what's so maybe I know go down in the description and click the link when I can get 10% off when I use the code Abby Capo. Yeah, girl. Alright? So I think I eat this, but just go video the rest and you know, vice over. And you know, yeah, don't it right so. What you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop touching my bottle.
Oh, she got a new body, people.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right,
she start working with
yeah,
them.
I'm burning up. I'm burning up. Yeah, yeah.
So the first thing we're gonna add the butter to the hot pot, yes, and when time it melt out, so we're gonna add the crab them now, yeah, right this is she. Then we're gonna add, when we add the crab them now, I just cover it up, make it simmer down for a couple minutes, yeah, see turn orange there, yeah, but it starts stick, some of the sides, so we're gonna add more butter, you know, if we make it a stick again, yeah, then we're supposed to add look of water on it. Where the water there, girl? Where is the water? Oh, see, the right, this is she. Yeah, then we're gonna add the season to it now. And just make it cook for, you know, a good maybe 30 minutes. And that's it, you know. 3, 2, 1.
Well, guys, I finally finished with the food right now. We're hungry at night, I come down, people. Actually, at night, no.
Yeah, guys, at night, no. But look on it, it's not really sure. Put a plate.
You don't know about white rice and them crab. I eat rice and peas and
yeah, I don't know. This is from Sunday, yeah. And today I went Tuesday, I saw.
I'm not going to know how long I have mine for.
Jump out 3 months for 18 years.
Yeah, guys, so hungry right now.
Yeah, I used to say we change up, we take off a good clothes.
Yeah, man.
Go on our yard clothes. Oh, we have a good clothes. No, girl.
So people, we're hungry, so don't think go. Make sure to follow up on Instagram down below.
And we want to go over to Comedy Channel. I'm going to for Comedy TV.
Go over to Abby's Madness.
Oh, the good girl.
Alright.
Go over to Campus TV.
Subscribe like this.
Yeah. So guys, I eat this, you know, remember if you know how to COOLIFY.
Link in the description.
Right now, so remember if you use the discount.
Abby Capo.
Yeah. Get 10% off. 10?
10% off.
10. Yeah.
So until then.
Hey, see you guys.